Today, we will learn English with a very special animal, the penguin. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. This is a penguin. It is a bird that cannot fly. The word bird means it has wings and lays eggs, but this bird does not fly. Penguins live in very cold places, near ice and snow. Repeat. Cold places, ice, snow. They are not afraid of the cold like we are. Penguins are excellent swimmers and divers. The word excellent means very, very good. Repeat, excellent swimmers, excellent divers. They use their wings like flippers to move fast in the water. A flipper is like a flat arm used for swimming. Repeat, flippers. Penguins walk in a funny way, but they never stop moving forward. You can remember 3 useful words: walk, funny, forward. Now, let's take a lesson from the penguin. When you look at a penguin on land, it looks small and a bit clumsy. But when it enters the water, it becomes fast, elegant, and free. On land, the penguin looks weak. In water, it becomes strong. In life, maybe you feel clumsy now with English. Maybe you think, my accent is funny. I make many mistakes. I am slow when I speak. But remember the penguin. It is not strong everywhere. It is strong in its place, in the water. You too can find your place with English, a topic you love, like football, animals, or business. A learning style you enjoy, like stories, games, or videos. When you learn in the right environment, you will feel faster and more confident, just like the penguin in the water. Repeat this line with me. I will keep moving forward, step by step, like a penguin on the ice. Say it again, slowly. I will keep moving forward, step by step, like a penguin on the ice. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments. Do you like penguins? Why or why not? Write one simple sentence in English with the word penguin. For example, I like penguins because they are cute and strong in the water. I will read your sentences, and maybe your animal will be the star of a future episode of Animal English with One Lingo.